Let's convert your REST API to GraphQL with Workik AI. First, create a project, or you can open an existing one, then head to Programming with AI, select Create from Scratch, and name it anything you want. Now add your API as context. Click Context, then Add Context, and choose REST API. Give it a title, then click Import API Requests. I am importing my JSON from Postman. In Postman, you have to export your collection from the sidebar, then just paste in your JSON. Now just ask the AI to convert all these REST endpoints to a complete GraphQL schema with queries and mutations. And just like that, a full GraphQL schema, perfectly mapped. Every endpoint cleanly converted. Want the resolvers too? Just ask. Now generate the resolvers for this schema using Node.js, and it handles that as well. And here's the best part. Not happy with the output? Hit Try Other AI and pick from GPT-5, Claude, Groq, DeepSeek, whatever works best for you. Same prompt, different model, instant results. Convert your REST API to GraphQL with Workik for free today.